Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to double your typing speed. Whether you're a gamer, a student, or you just work in an office, most people are doing it wrong. They peck at the keys with 2 fingers and look down at the board. We're stopping that today. Let's get into it. Now, if you're a gamer, you probably live on the WASD keys. That's your home base to move in games. But to type fast, we need to expand that muscle memory. Keep your left hand anchored near WASD, but let's talk about the home row. Look at your keyboard. See the F and J keys? They have tiny little bumps on them. Put your left index finger on F and your right index finger on J. Your fingers should naturally rest on A, S, D, F, and J, K, L, semicolon. This is your starting line. Every time you reach for a letter, your finger must snap back here immediately. Every finger has a specific job, so your brain doesn't have to hunt. Your thumbs only do one thing: hit the space bar. Your pinkies are the guards. They handle the big keys like Shift, Enter, and Tab. Your index fingers are the MVPs. They handle the middle of the board, reaching for letters like G, H, R, and T. The goal is 1 finger, 1 job. If you use the same finger for everything, you'll never be fast. Here's the secret. Stop. Looking. Down. Even if you make a mistake, do not look at your hands. Your brain needs to learn muscle memory. It's going to feel slow at first, and you might get frustrated, but I promise, once your fingers memorize the map, you'll be typing over 100 words per minute without even thinking about it. Practice this for 10 minutes a day on sites like Monkey Type, and you'll see massive gains in a week. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more pro tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.